This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting your phone to the Wi-Fi you plan to change. This ensures you reach the correct router. Next, check your phone's Wi-Fi details to find the router IP address, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, and open it in your mobile browser. You then enter the router's admin username and password. If you don't know them, try defaults printed on the router or a stored password manager entry. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section to prepare for the password change. Once you're inside the admin panel, find the wireless, Wi-Fi, or SSID settings. Routers often separate too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Tap the network name you want to change and locate the security section where the WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase lives. Replace the existing passphrase with a strong new password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and aim for at least 12 characters for better security. Make sure the security mode remains WPA2 or WPA3. Weaker modes reduce protection. After editing, review settings before save or apply the new Wi-Fi password. The router may reboot and temporarily drop your connection, so don't panic. Once it restarts, reconnect your phone and other devices using the updated passphrase and update any password managers. If your phone can't reach the admin panel after the change, try clearing browser cache or use a different device on the same network. If you're completely locked out because you lost admin credentials, perform a factory reset on the router as a last resort. Then reconfigure the SSID and password from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.